మంది వచ్చారు సార్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేస్తారు సార్
Hello, good afternoon to all. Today class is biochemical reactions. Before going directly onto biochemical reactions, we have to first collect specimen, that specimen collection. Then from that specimen, we will do direct microscopy. After direct microscopy, we have to do that specimen collection sample into a smear. Then we will do direct microscopy for that specimen. Then in direct microscopy, one is gram stain. You all know one is gram stain. Another one, for most bacteria we will do gram stain or special stain. Special stains in certain bacteria, Corynebacterium diphtheria, and for acid fast bacilli, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Acid fast stain, or for Corynebacterium diphtheria, Albert stain we will do. Then for culture, then we will move to on culture. For culture, conventional culture methods on blood agar or McConkey agar or any other special media using and depending on specimen. Then again we will do culture smear. We will incubate it at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours, and other day next morning again we will from the incubator we have to took these blood agar plate or McConkey agar plate, any other special media used plate. From that we have from that culture we have again done a smear, and motility also we will see, is it motile or non-motile bacteria. Then followed by from that culture we will do gram stain again or any stains, and motility for hanging drop motility. Then we will put biochemical reactions. Today topic is that biochemical reactions. From specimen collection, for serology purpose we will do antigen antibody reactions, antigen antibody detection, either agglutination or precipitation tests. Other method from that specimen collection, molecular study, PCR, real-time PCR, we will do this. From that specimen collection only, automated culture methods also will be done. Automated culture methods are BACTEC or ALERT, ALERT, BACTEC, BACTEC. First we will collect a specimen from patient, then for that specimen only direct microscopy we will done. From that microscopy we have the direct microscopy gram stain or any special stains, acid fast stain or Albert stain we will done for that specimen. Then we will put on conventional culture methods onto blood agar or nutrient agar or McConkey agar or any special media we will use for that particular organism. By seeing that direct microscopy we will decide, and we will put onto the special media or routinely used media. Then for next we will incubate it at 37 degrees centigrade, and next day after 18 to 24 hours incubation, then we will take that culture plates and we will do again gram stain, and motility we will see, is it motile or non-motile, and then put biochemical reactions for confirmation. Okay. Then what, after isolation of bacteria from pure culture, it has to be identified. What shape? size, arrangement, how it will be arranged, motility, is it motile or non-motile, flagella, is if flagella will be present, then it will be motile, spores or capsule, any capsule. Name some capsulated organisms, Klebsiella pneumonia. Spore bearing, spore will be formed. Shape, spherical or filamentous rod shape. These all you covered under identification of bacteria class. No need to see again these all. Culture. In culture characteristics, shape, circular or irregular colonies are formed. Size in millimeters are cultural characters. Elevation, flat, elevated or convex colonies are seen. Surface, smooth or irregular or rough or granular. For E. coli, dry colonies will be seen. For Klebsiella, on blood agar plate or McConkey agar plate, mucoid colonies are seen. Smooth, irregular, rough or granular. Color, either lactose fermenting or non-lactose fermenting colonies. Now, moving on to biochemical reactions. First one, fermentation. Sugar fermentation. Sugar fermentation, sugar media is required. Ability of an organism to ferment a specific carbohydrate sugar incorporated in the medium, producing gas production or acid production. Gas production or acid production. In that sugar media, we have put Durham's tube, inverted position. Open will be downside, top will be closed. Durham's tube. For gas production, it is used. Sugar fermentation. 1% sugar will be used. Indicator, Andret's indicator will be used here, and it is incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 18 to 24 hours. Acid fission, which is added sodium hydroxide for that medium. Then, if pink color it produces, then it is a acidic condition. If yellow color, it is alkaline condition. If Durham's tube, it will go upwards, then gas production is usually seen. If Durham's tube will be kept down only, then there is no gas production. Pink means acidic, positive. Yellow means negative, alkaline condition. Then next, biochemical properties, indole reaction. Mainly in this chapter, for 2 marks will be covered. Imbic reactions. I means indole. M, methylride. V, Otis Prosker. C, citrate test. First, Imbic reactions. Simply, you remember one example. Imbic. IMVC. VIC. Imbic. Indole, methylride, Otis Prosker, citrate. For Escherichia coli in Enterobacteriaceae family, Escherichia coli is the first one. You remember, I am positive for Escherichia coli. Next to positive for Klebsiella. Simply. If you can't remember more examples, you remember E. coli and Klebsiella. I am positive for Escherichia coli. We see Otis Prosker and citrate positive for Klebsiella. First 2 tests for Escherichia coli, next 2 tests for Klebsiella. Indole production. Peptone water culture production of indole from tryptophan. And here, Kovacs reagent is used. That Kovacs reagent is red color. It is para-dimethyl aminorenzaldehyde. Here will be used. Red color at the interface, it is positive. If green color, it is negative. See, red color indicated at the interface, it is positive. Indole positive organisms are Escherichia coli, Proteus. In Proteus family, Proteus vulgaris, mirabilis, providentia, these will be there. Out of all of these, Proteus vulgaris is positive. Mirabilis, Providencia, Stuartigi, these all are negative. Proteus, vulgaris is positive, and Escherichia coli positive for indole. Here using reagent is paradimethyl benzaldehyde. Paradimethyl benzaldehyde. Indole negative organisms, Klebsiella, Proteus, Mirabilis. Proteus vulgaris is positive for indole and Proteus mirabilis is negative. In record book, page number 73. This one will be there. Methyl red test. For this methyl red test, it mainly to detect the production of sufficient acid during fermentation of glucose. Sufficient acid during fermentation of glucose by bacteria. Here, maintenance of pH below 4.5 will be seen. Maintenance of pH below 4.5. Here, using media is here peptone water. Here, methyl red for using media is glucose phosphate broth. Glucose phosphate broth. It is incubated for 2 days, 48 hours. Then, for detection of production of acid, pH below 4.5 will be seen. Here using media is glucose phosphate broth plus test organism incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 48 hours. Here positive or methyl red positive organisms are Escherichia coli, Yersinia and Listeria monocytogenes. Here methyl red 0.04% solution is added. If positive red color it produces. Yellow color is negative. See, MR positive. It is also page number 73 in your record book. Negative yellow color. Positive red color. MR positive, methyl red positive organisms are Escherichia coli, Yersinia species and Listeria monocytogenes. MR negative, Klebsiella and Enterobacter. Here pH below 4.5 should be maintained by bacteria. Glucose. Fermentation of glucose during. Next test is biochemical reaction is Voges-Prosker test. Voges-Prosker test. For you, important is IMVIC reactions. I means indole test, M means methyl red test, V means Voges-Prosker test, and C for citrate test. Voges-Prosker test. Voges production of acetyl methyl carbonyl from pyruvic acid. Acetone. Acetone from pyruvic acid. Acetone. It is intermediate in conversion to 2:3 butylene glycol. Organism, pyruvic acid in the media, organism inoculated into glucose phosphate broth. For methyl red also we will use glucose phosphate broth media. For Voges-Prosker also we will use glucose phosphate broth media and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 48 hours. Then we have to add two reagents. One is 1 ml KOH, 1 ml 0 to 2 ml, but 1 ml 40% KOH is added and 3 ml 5% alpha naphthol in ethanol or alcohol is added. Positive, it produces pink color, magenta color. Magenta pink will be produced. We have to plug out the cotton plug for Voges-Prosker test because atmospheric acetone will be formed now. From atmospheric room temperature it can be oxidated and then it produces this pink color. We have to loosely put this cotton plug for this test. performing. We have to incubate it at 37 degrees centigrade for 48 hours. Voges-Proskauer test is positive for organisms Klebsiella, Enterobacter, L-tar vibrio. In Vibrio, classical Vibrio and L-tar vibrio will be there. For L-tar vibrio, Voges-Proskauer test is positive. And Staphylococcus. Staphylococcus organism also it produces Voges-Proskauer positive. Voges-Proskauer negative for Escherichia coli and Micrococcus. Next, we are going to biochemical reaction citrate utilization test. This citrate utilization test, ability of an organism to utilize citrate as sole source of carbon. To utilize citrate as sole source of carbon, resulting alkalinity. Here we will use two media. One is Coeur's citrate media. Coeur's citrate media is a liquid media, and Simmons citrate media it is a solid media. We will use Simmons citrate media. For this Simmons citrate media, it can be inoculated the organism into it and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. Then it produces bluish color, blue color. Whole the media can be turned into blue color. Why it can be turned into blue color? We are adding here indicator is bromothymol blue indicator. If the organism it utilizes the sole source of carbon, citrate as sole source of carbon, then resulting in alkalinity, it produces blue color. See here, citrate utilization. Normal media will be yellow color, then it can be in green color, and if positive, it produces as using sole source of carbon in an alkaline condition, utilizes, then it can be turned into blue color. Whole media will be turned into blue color. Here using indicator is bromothymol blue indicator. Citrate positive organisms are Klebsiella species. I told first only. Easily remember IMBIC reactions. Indole, methylride, Voges-Proskauer, citrate. I means indole. M is methylride. These two mainly positive for Escherichia coli, and Voges-Proskauer and citrate is mainly positive for Klebsiella Citrobacter species. Citrate, Citrobacter example. Enterobacter species. Citrate negative organisms are Escherichia coli, Edwardsella, and Salmonella typhi. Salmonella paraB produces. In Salmonella, you are having Salmonella parae, Salmonella parae typhi, Salmonella parae, Salmonella paraB, and Salmonella typhi, and Salmonella paraC. But paraC we won't usually see in India. For animals, it can occur. The Salmonella parae and paraB typhi. Out of all of these, Salmonella paratyphi B citrate it produces, and Salmonella typhi citrate negative. IMBIC enteric gram negative bacteria. Here using indicator is bromothymol blue indicator. For sugar reactions, here you will use indicator, it is Andread's indicator. Nitrate reduction test. It detects the enzyme nitrate to nitrite, nitrate reductase, nitrate reduction. A positive nitrate present in red color, yellow negative, B positive no color after zinc added, C negative color after zinc added. here. All members of Enterobacteriaceae are nitrate reduction test positive. Brahmanella catarrhalis nitrate reduction negative are Haemophilus juicery. 1% potassium nitrate plus test organism plus 0.1 ml of test reagent is added. Equal volumes of sulfonic acid and alpha naphthalene and 5N alpha acetic acid. Mix just before use. Next, we are going to urease test. Here, urea ammonia. Urea is the end product of ammonia. Christensen's urease agar medium here used. Here indicator is phenol red indicator we use. It is yellow in color. If by adding this phenol red indicator, organism it produces pure ammonia, then it gives pink color. It is inoculated and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. Positive purple pink color will be seen. Negative blue color, yellow color. Urease production test. Here positive pink color, negative yellow color. Klebsiella species. Urease positive for Klebsiella, Proteus, and Yersinia enterocoletica, Helicobacter pylori, and Staphylococcus organism. It produces urease production test. And urease negative organisms are Escherichia coli and Yersinia pestis. Hydrogen sulfide production. It decomposes sulfur containing amino acids producing H2S. Media containing lead acetate, ferric ammonium citrate or ferrous acetate. Organism it produces black color. You will see this hydrogen sulfide and triple sugar iron media. We will go on and you will see that. Oxidase reduction. Oxidase reduction test. We will use here oxidase to determine the presence of enzyme cytochrome oxidase catalyzes oxidation and reduces cytochrome by molecular oxygen catalyzes oxidation of reduced cytochrome by oxygen. 1 to 1.5 solution of tetramethyl paraphenylene diamino dihydrochloride is used, poured over colonies for 10 to 30 minutes. Maroon deep purple color will be seen. For especially in mixed growth to isolate that Neisseria growth from that culture plate media, we will use this step. We will pour directly this tetramethyl paraphenylene diamino dihydrochloride poured over colonies. Then it will color changed into deep purple color in 10 to 30 seconds. Then you will isolate and incubate, isolate and shake onto another specific media and incubate it for pertaining pure colonies for Neisseria. Another method, oxidase discs will be there, and Kovacs method, that is called filter paper soaked in oxidase reagent. By taking that colony from that plate and on filter paper, it can be then we will see deep purple color colonies within 10 seconds. Colonies smeared on the filter paper, Kovacs method. And oxidase discs also available, but these are more cost compared to this Kovacs reagent, and those oxidase discs are very expensive. Turns purple in 10 seconds. Solution must be freshly prepared when we have to examine. At that time only, by taking the tetramethyl paraphenylene diamino hydrochloride solution can be prepared from the powder. See, Oxidase positive organisms are Pseudomonas, strictly aerobic. Pseudomonas, Vibrio, Neisseria, Aeromonas, Alkalogens, and Moraxilla. These all are so oxidase positive organisms. See how it comes. On filter paper, this one. Colonies. On colonies, we have poured this, and on filter paper, we have done. Oxidase discs also available, but these are very expensive. Next, we are moving to catalase production. Catalase production. For certain bacteria have enzyme catalase, which acts on hydrogen peroxide to release nascent oxygen. To release nascent oxygen. Certain bacteria having enzyme catalase, which acts on hydrogen peroxide to release nascent oxygen. Prompt effervescence will be seen for catalase production. Bubbles in hydrogen peroxide, we will put the, we won't use here any iron loops or from blood agar plates also. We won't collect this growth from blood agar plate, because in blood also citrate will be present, so it will give false negative. We will use glass rods or plastic droplets, strips will be there, no? Those we will use here. Stopper or glass rods. We have to collect that colony from that plate, and we will put in that tube containing hydrogen peroxide. Then we will see effervescence like this. Effervescence will be seen. It is negative, it is positive, bubbles. Or on slide, we have to pour some hydrogen peroxide, 2 or 3 drops, and we have to collect the colony, and we have to mix in that. Then bubbles will be seen. Effervescence. Then if bubbles will be seen, then it is positive. If there is no bubbles and no effervescence will be seen in tube containing hydrogen peroxide, the growth have to be inoculated, then it is negative. Effervescence will be seen, then it is positive. Catalase positive organisms are all members of Enterobacteriaceae family are catalase positive, except Shigella dysenteria type 1. In Shigella dysenteria type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 are there. Type 1, Shigella dysenteria. Type 2, Shigella flexneri. Type C, Shigella boydii. Type 4, Shigella soni. Soni is a late lactose fermenter. Out of all of these Shigella, except Shigella dysentery type 1. Negative. All other are positive. Staphylococcus catalase positive. The catalase test mainly differentiate from Staphylococcus to Streptococcus. Streptococcus catalase negative and Staphylococcus catalase positive. Micrococcus catalase positive. Catalase negative organism Streptococcus and Clostridium. Now we are moving to composite media. Single composite media, different properties of bacterium will be seen. The media is triple sugar iron media. Triple sugar iron media. Sucrose, lactose, and glucose. These 3 sugars will be used. Bacterium ferments glucose only or lactose and sucrase also. Medium in tubes, butt and slant. This test can be identified by butt and slant. TSI, triple sugar iron, glucose, sucrose, and lactose. Interpretation, slant and butt, yellow. Then it produces glucose and lactose or sucrose. Slant red, butt yellow, only glucose fermented. Bubbles in the medium. gas formation will be seen. If the media can be raised till little bit, then the gas production will be seen in the triple sugar iron media. Blackening of the media will be observed as hydrogen sulfide formation is seen. Here see, first whole red by red. Here red means alkaline condition. Here red means alkaline condition. Yellow means acidic condition. In sugar, first sugar fermentation test you have seen, no? Reverse. There pinkish color means acidic fermentation and sugar fermentation is positive. If pink color, if yellow color, it is alkalinic condition and it is negative for sugar fermentation there. But in triple sugar iron media, here reddish color, red color means alkaline condition. Yellow color means acidic condition. Here red represents alkaline, yellow represents acidic. Okay, red by red means alkaline by alkaline, alkaline by alkaline. Al alkaline it represents as K, acidic it represents as A, alkaline it represents as K, acidic it represents as A. Red by red means alkaline by alkaline slant by alkaline but. For this test tube, this one is alkaline. This ending round, it is called but. Here this is but, and this one, if we put slantly that test tube, then this part is called as slant, and this one but. Here red by red means alkaline slant by alkaline but. It represents as K by K, lactose or glucose. Yellow by yellow. Yellow by yellow means acidic slant by acidic but, lactose plus glucose fermented. Acidic means A by A reaction. Red by yellow reaction. Red by yellow. Then red means alkaline slant by acidic but. Alkaline means K. Acidic means A. K by A. Here glucose fermented, here lactose or sucrose not fermented. For this fourth one, see, gas is seen. The media is upwards, it move. Gas production is there. So the media can be raised. Here clearly gas production is seen. And condition is A by A. A by A. Yellow by yellow color is clearly seen. Means acid slant by acidic but with gas production. Clearly visible here. For this, see, gas production little bit is there and H2S production so much. Hydrogen sulfide, black color, it produces. Red by yellow. Alkaline slant by acidic but. Here hydrogen sulfide produces, gas also little bit you have seen, red by black, alkaline slant by acidic but. Glucose fermented, gas production is seen, H2S production is seen in this. In third test tube, H2S production is clearly visible and a little bit gas production also visible. For this, there is no H2S production and gas production is clearly visible. For this, alkaline slant by acidic but. For this, alkaline slant by alkaline but. Here, K by A means red color, yellow color. for this acid by acid production, A by A, for A by A gas produced no H2S, Escherichia coli and Klebsiella pneumonia organisms will produce. Alkaline slant by acidic but only glucose fermentor group. Alkaline slant by acidic but ante K by A, no gas, no H2S, Shigella organism, Shigella. Alkaline slant by acidic bed, no gas, H2S produced. It is Salmonella typhi. Alkaline slant by acidic bed, no gas, H2S produced abundant. H2S produced abundant. It is Proteus vulgaris. K by A. Alkaline slant by acidic bed, gas produced, H2S produced abundant. It is Salmonella paratyphi B. For Proteus vulgaris, H2S produced abundant, no gas will be seen. Then it is Proteus vulgaris. No gas will be seen and H2S production is abundant. It is Proteus vulgaris. Gas production is usually seen and H2S produced abundant. It is Salmonella paratyphi B. K by A reaction means alkaline slant by acidic but gas production is seen and no H2S production is seen. For it example Salmonella paratyphi A. Alkaline slant by alkaline but means A by A, K by K reaction. This one. There is no gas, no H2S production. K by K reaction. Example for K by K reaction, Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas. K by K reaction, Pseudomonas. K by A reaction, no gas, no H2S, Shigella. K by A reaction, no gas, H2S production will be seen, Salmonella typhi. K by A reaction, no gas, H2S production is abundant, Proteus vulgaris. Gas production is usually seen and H2S production also will be seen. Then Salmonella paratyphi B. Gas production is there and no H2S production is seen. Then Salmonella paratyphi A. By this, over for you biochemical reactions. With this, biochemical reactions over. Imbic reactions, it is important for you in Viva also. They will ask about Imbic. For you applied exercises also, they will ask about Imbic reactions. Indole, methylrate, OGS-Proskar and citrate. If you know about that principle and causing organisms, indole test and methylrate test, OGS-Proskar test and citrate test, it is very important. You have to know those things. While in applied exercise, if you got Escherichia coli or Klebsiella, Pseudomonas, they will ask these biochemical reactions, Imbic reactions especially. Indicator also you have to know, media, which media you have to use, at which temperature they have to incubate it, and which color they will produce. Indicator, these they will ask. For methylrate and OGS-Proskar, you will use glucose phosphate broth. Glucose phosphate broth. For indole, you will use peptone water. Thank you all. Bye.
మీరు చెప్పకపోతే ఎవరు ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు సార్.
మారలు వచ్చారు.
అవునా?